Today's home tip is for sellers trying to make small changes which will have a great impact for their pictures and videos once you go live on MLS. Today we're talking about lighting, and more specifically light bulbs. So the light bulbs you have in your home will affect your pictures and your videos. You ever see some pictures and you go see the home and it looks different than the pictures because it has too much more of a brown or a yellow hue? Well, that has a lot to do with the lighting the photographer has used, the photographer had to work with when they're going through the house. And there's basically two different types of light bulbs. There's daylight and there's soft white. Now, in our everyday life, we like soft white because it's got that yellow kind of tinge to it. It's what we're mostly used to and it looks nice. But then there's daylight, which is really, really bright. And it brightens up the whole room, but a lot of us don't like the look of it when you're living with it. But for pictures and videos, you should opt to get the whole home changed if you can. Change all the light bulbs to daylight. And it gives you more of a true reflection of the home. The house pops a little bit more. It just seems nicer. If you can take pictures without the lighting on, that also helps, especially if you don't have the daylight. So those are your two options you can do. But when you're doing a video and you have the soft white, the yellow hues, the yellow comes through in the videos, it doesn't look as nice. So if you can, swap out your light bulbs for daylight.